Would you like to know the true element of health described in Ayurveda or the ancient science? I know you must have heard a lot about immunity boosting foods, superfoods, or the special ingredients or the secret ingredients or the supplement that will give you health and immunity. But you know the reality. There is no such a single thing or a secret formula for the health and immunity. And that's why if you look at the bigger picture, every one Indian out of 4 are dying because of the diet and lifestyle diseases. And major diseases in this category are lung diseases, heart diseases, cancer and diabetic. That means one person in every single family has died or in a danger of death because of all those diet and lifestyle diseases, and which is not a good picture. And that's why preventive measure on diet and lifestyle has become very important in today's time than never before. So currently I am talking from Aharyog Ayurveda restaurant, which is known for its unique discovery. Aharyog is the first online Ayurveda restaurant based on Ayurvedic wisdom of diet, nutrition and health. So actually I am doing a live webinar based on diet and lifestyle as described in Ayurveda, based on Ayurvedic fundamentals of nutrition and health. And I am going to focus on important health conditions that are root causes of all those diseases that I just described. So if you are struggling with your weight, overweight or underweight than your ideal weight, or you are suffering from all sort of digestive disorder like constipation, IBS, hyperacidity, etc. Or you want to learn about how immunity and health is derived, and more importantly, how you can convert your regular kitchen into the Ayurvedic kitchen. So this webinar is for you. Click on the button below and register. I will see you live in the webinar.